Luke, what does this say? Luke, what does this say right here? Looky. What does this say? What letter is this? Luke? Uh-oh. Luke, what letter is this? What letter is this? This one.
L.
What is this one?
U. K. E.
Spells.
Luke.
Good.
And
H is for...
apple.
Where's the H?
It's
Show me the H.
over there.
Over there. Where's the A?
What? A.
Where's the A, Luke?
The.
Where's the A?
Over there. It's an H.
What letter is this? What letter is this?
A.
A is for...
Apple. Alligator.
Alligator, yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Where's the letter B?
Would be
B is for...
thumb. 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 A. Alphabet. Alphabet.
E is for... What's a E?
Evil.